Well, I'd love to stick around the shop, but we got an adventure to go on.
Oh, it's off. The top's off. Oh no. Oh no.
The windows are evident, but I don't know about anything else.
Yeah, right. No, it's on there.
Great way to start a Wednesday morning is with the coating. We just finished the coating on this Genesis. We just clean up the windows, making sure there's no coating left on it. Tie shine, wrap it up.
Where'd you get that hat from?
Shine Supply.
Jeez, I don't have that one. All I wear is Shine Supply hats.
All right, we're taking a trip. We're going to John Force in Indianapolis.
Indianapolis, one of 2 locations. So kind of cool. This is like legit NHRA drag all-star. He has a museum of drag racing. It's not in Indy, it's in Cali.
Oh.
But it's only 85,000 square feet in Indy. We'll be fine.
Okay.
Yeah, it'd be cool.
Well, let's go.
Yeah.
Well, I'd love to stick around the shop, but we got an adventure to go on. We're going to John Force Racing. We're heading to John Force Racing because they contacted us about dry ice cleaning. So they are a drag race company, and they have a lot of buildup of the rubber that ends up in the wheel wells and everything, and it's just a pain in the ass to try to clean it for them. You know, they're using traditional methods of using a chemical and just scrubbing it. So they want to see the dry ice machine in action and see if it's something that can help save them some time by cleaning it with dry ice.
Hey, look at Matt looking good on the old S6. Yeah, let's go because we're already late. It's fine. See you. Yay.
What can I type in?
John Force Racing. It's going to be Brownsburg, Indiana. There it is. Perfect.
So, drag racing, I haven't been into drag racing. That's why I brought Kim. She's a drag racing expert. And I didn't know what to expect when we pulled up. But when we pulled up, I mean, there is this giant warehouse. I mean, it looks like a factory, like a manufacturing factory. And I'm like, I couldn't believe how big it was. And so we pulled up and there's just 50 doors to go through. It was amazing to see, you know, just this race team that, you know, they had 9 or 10 semis just parked in there for all the different teams and all the cars when they go out and do the races. It's crazy.
All right, let's see how heavy this is.
Oh.
Come on, little guy.
I love walking these things.
Sam, this is the car that needs a little bit.
Yeah. Do you think all of these are the same car or the same bodies?
Yeah, it is. Everybody with John Force Racing all races the Camaro body on top of the car. So the one that's in there in the paint booth is the Camaro. All of them are Camaros.
Ooh, look.
Yeah.
Did they fix it?
No.
They just get a new one.
Yeah, this will probably get scrapped.
Oh, so we're just practicing on this one.
Yeah, there's another one of Robert's cars, and then there's one of John's.
Damn. Do you think this broke from the engine?
Mm-hmm.
Wow, looks like something shot through here and broke that.
I don't want to play with stuff, but normally when they're backing up, that is open, this hatch, and then this is for parachutes and stuff like that. There's also a lot of fluid on the firewall in here.
Because it went kaput?
Yep, because the motor expired.
Let's go check back in the shop and see how they're doing.
BMW, the white one, or the Range Rover?
Why BMW?
Maybe we're not gonna start on it because we're gonna finish those 2 Teslas first, the Model S.
Model S and Model Y.
And Model Y, and then we're gonna start with the BMW, then Range Rover, right?
Yes.
All right, I'll see you tomorrow.
What?
This car is literally perfect. It's literally perfect. 2012, 1,300 miles on it. No, but this one's gonna be fun. The guy dropped it off, well, obviously, it's one of our regular guys that has a bunch of different cars, but he's like, it's pretty much perfect. but when we put it under some lighting, we could see little issues with it. Little swirls, little haziness. Level 1 paint correction. That's it. Quick interior cleaning, no. They have a huge warehouse and the cars just sit. So there's, I mean, yeah, ceramic coating gives it a nice gloss and makes it easier to wash, but the car just sits there. They barely even drive them, so. But this is gonna look good. They always do. All the cars that they drop off, they always come out perfect. And I love the fact that it's a naturally aspirated V8 and it sounds amazing. And the headlights, yeah, look at that. It's a beautiful car. And this is one of the last Ferraris where there's no hybrid system, there's no electrify anything. It's just a V8 behind your head. I love the steering wheel too, the carbon fiber. I just gotta win the lottery, right?
I've realized that I gotta win the lottery, so I'm gonna go and buy some lottery tickets from the gas station nearby. Wish me luck.
Okay, I'm done talking, let's work.
For optical people spending over film.
How's this Tesla coming along, Albi?
Andy, he's just doing small pieces. Headlights, fog lights. I'm doing now the mirrors and then front clip. Oh, I think this is rockers too. So we are doing full front and the rockers too. So most people, they are doing first this stretch here, they are tacking this section, but when they stretch on this side here, they create that big distortion. What I do here, I will tack it there first. The bottom is tacked there, so basically that's my third hand right there. So I'm gonna give this stretch up there and that one stretch kind of like a triangle there. See? And then you can adjust it. If you have too many fingers up there, you just shift your right hand to the bottom. And that should be it. It's super simple.
After we did a level 1 paint correction on this Ferrari, just to get out some of the small scratches, small little bit of haziness, it came out even more perfect than it did when it got dropped off.
We're about to wrap this Mercedes in some oil slick Lexi shear.
Fishing line? Thank you, Andy.
Yes, sir.
It's wet.
Yeah, it's a little wet.
The windows are evident, but I don't know about anything else.
Yeah, right. No, it's on there. It's shinier. I'll take you guys back up front. We'll get you all paid up, and then I'll have one of the guys bring it up front.
The Genesis SUV, we did a number of different services on that car, but what really stood out is how perfect the paint protection film was laid down. As I'm walking around, the customer around his car, showing him what we did to it, he couldn't even tell where the film was. I had to go up there and show him the edges on it. He could obviously tell that we tinted the windows, but showing the front end of the car, I had to literally get up next to it and show him where we did our edges. So that's what we strive for, is a nice, clean, perfect install.
I don't know anything about this. Does it leave any sort of abrasion on the surface or anything?
So that's the beauty of it. There's absolutely no liquid. So everyone's like, oh, it's dry ice. It's just frozen water. There's no water involved. So where it really came from, again, is like injection molding. So automotive picked up on it because they're like, oh, wow, this is, you know, really opens up a world where it's like you're vapor honing and sandblasting without the secondary contamination or mess. So the way it cleans is the first pass, for the most part, dries out the surface and it starts breaking the bond down between what was the hot tire and the composite.
Okay.
The second pellet that hits expands at 30,000% its size on a molecular level. So that kinetic energy is what shatters the bond and pretty much just pushes it away. Yeah, it's pretty cool.
Just the tire part. See all this? All this. There you go. Well, it works.
I say, hey, you don't want to be too close. You don't want to be too far away. 8 to 10 inches, you gotta have a little bit of space for the kinetic energy to do its thing, right? We're gonna do a slow pass. We're gonna go back over it to clean it. It's not rocket science. You know everything you need to know to do that piece right there. And that was 2 minutes.
Just one trigger?
Yeah, just one trigger.
So if you look down low though, so you can
and this is your mess.
It does go somewhere.
Right, yeah, that's the stuff after this.
What is kind of cool, no matter what it hits, if it can safely remove it, it makes it almost like a silt. So it is a very light, very easy, dry cleanup.
It doesn't ground very well on epoxy.
Yeah, I got shocked. Ow! God damn it! Why do I always get shocked?
You're one of the only ones.
Yeah, that's dry to the touch.
So looking at like these spots, let's see if.
What spots?
Hit it. I want to see.
You want to try it? Yeah, I'm gonna let you do it.
Shit, dude.
Come on. Play with toys. Pull it 8 to 10 inches away. One pass to clean it. One pass to clean it. Just a little bit further. Good. We'll hold hands. Good. Yeah, so you want to give it a chance to freeze usually. That was pretty easy, but
okay, so that's,
yeah.
After we demoed the machine, they took us on a little bit of a tour. There's some stuff that we couldn't record, but we went on a tour and just kind of showed us everything. It was really cool to see the operations and systems, and being a business owner, I love seeing that stuff, like how do they operate, what's behind the scenes stuff. They were actually getting ready to go on a race, so they were just packing up all these semis and getting ready to go. It was really cool to see the facility.
We are now leaving John Force. Goodbye. May the force be with you. Or with us. With us. How'd it go?
I think it went super cool. So they had one of their lead engineers, they had their facility management guy, their business development guy, who obviously I bond with because it's my thing. We had very little air, which the building has massive amounts of air, and we had very little, and it still did everything we wanted it to do. It did everything that they thought it would do, and they want another shot at demoing a machine. They see the benefits of dry ice cleaning. So I think overall 2 thumbs up with a great success. We didn't meet John, we saw him from afar, but we will meet him again.
Can you show us your baby picture?
Yeah. World of Wheels, 1999 or 98?
Do you recognize that face?
How can they recognize her if no one knows Kim yet? This is her unveiling.
Unveiling.
True.
Everybody, this is Kim.
Hello.
Well, if you've been to the bays, you've seen her at the bays.
Hey,
she runs it.
The internet is bigger than one store.
The ice is moving.
Yeah, I was worried about that.
Well, we're headed back to Chicago. 3-hour drive. All right, thanks for watching, everybody. Subscribe.
Hopefully we don't die or kill anybody.
Thanks for watching. See you next time.
Clip of the dry ice. Oh fuck.
Oh, it's off. The top's off. Oh no.
That's for the video.
Well, you should probably just pull over here.
Oh, it gets worse.
Oh, same thing.
Oh no. It's raining.
Yeah. That's also Hello. This is fatherly moments with Eric.
He did it wrong.
My dad didn't show me.
Put this over the top, nice and flat.
Yeah.
We're safe now. See you next episode.
See you next time. There's gonna be another clip in like 5 minutes or something else.
I don't have enough film, so I kind of effed up. Well, I didn't F up, the f***ing machine effed up. You know what had happened was somebody was messing with the plotter.
Proud a little bit. Hey, look at that, it's Jason.
All right. We're going to be doing a full video on a new coating that we've been testing out.